Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Davey with Western Material Handling. Today we are here excited to test drive stock number D21108. Awesome 2014 Toyota. This is an 8FGC35U, 8,000 pound Christian tire forklift. This unit is equipped with a 96-inch lowered and a 206-inch triple stage mast. It's going to take it on up for us. This unit does have side shifts, 42-inch pallet forks, has hydraulic fingertip controls. It's a good running Toyota 1FS 3.7 liter 4-cylinder LP gas engine, automatic transmission. This unit has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. We appreciate you very much for watching. Thank you.